Hi, how can I help you? Check back. Hi, how can I help? Check back, please. For months, that was my entire vocabulary. I was stuck in a 2 meter by 2 meter retail box, repeating those lines 8 hours a day, while my mechanical engineering degree gathered dust. I wasn't stupid. I was paralyzed. If you feel like a high achieving procrastinator, you aren't lazy. You're fighting your own biology. Stanford neurobiologist Andrew Huberman notes that willpower is a finite resource. When it runs out, you default to your lowest habits. The mass of inaction is devastating. Research shows that delaying these systems just 5 years can cost a high performer over $250,000 lost career compound. Today, I'm giving you the 8 Japanese logic gates I used to bypass my brain's fee center and finish my degree on the dean's list. Habit 1. Kaizen. Most people try to change 100% of their life overnight. This triggers the amygdala, the brain's fear center, causing analysis paralysis. A study in the British Journal of Health Psychology found micro actions are 2 times more likely to stick. Kaizen makes the step so small it doesn't register as a threat. The action today is to do the task you are avoiding for exactly 60 seconds tonight. 1% for 365 days, 37 times better. Habit 2. Ikigai. In the West, purpose is a grand mission. In Japan, it's a micro meaning. Tohoku University found that Ikigai lowers cortisol and stabilizes your dopamine baseline. Without a reason to wake up, your brain hijacks your neurochemistry for cheap dopamine, scrolling and film. The action today is to schedule 1 micro win for 7 a.m. tomorrow. But even with a win, most people fail at the 3-minute mark because of a cognitive leak we're hitting next. Habit 3. Ma. In engineering, a system running at 100% capacity is a system on the verge of failure. The science from UC Irvine found it takes 23 minutes to regain focus after 1 distraction. Ma is the intentional vacuum between tasks. It's not about doing nothing. It's clearing cache of your prefrontal cortex. Block 5 minutes of total silence between you and the next 2 tasks. No phone, no input. Habit 4. Shinrin-Yoku. The cortisol regulation. My retail box kept me in a high beta brainwave activity. Constant low-level stress. The science shows from Nippon Medical School prove that nature exposure increases natural killer NK cells and drops stress hormones more than indoor rest. The action is to spend 10 minutes outside tonight. 0 digital input. Let your eyes go into a panoramic focus to reset the nervous system. Habit 5. Kintsugi. It's the growth mindset. Kintsugi, Stanford's Carol Dweck, found that a fixed mindset sees a mistake as a permanent defect. The science shows that neuroplasticity proves our brain literally thickens in regions where we struggle and then repair. Kintsugi treats the repair as the most valuable part of the system. So the action is to reframe your biggest failure this week as the data for version 2.0. Engineers don't fail, they iterate. Habit 6 is Shoshin, the beginner's mind. Expertise often leads to functional fixedness, the inability to see new solutions. Harvard research suggests mindfulness of the beginner increases divergent thinking. If you think you know the answer, you stop looking for the efficient one. The action is to approach your most boring task tomorrow as if you've never seen it before. Find one inefficiency to delete. Habit 7. Gaman, the prefrontal cortex control. Habit 7. Gaman, enduring with dignity. This is the psychological delayed gratification. The Stanford marshmallow experiment showed Gaman is the #1 predictor of long-term success. It's the process of the prefrontal cortex overriding the impulsive mental monkey in your brain. The action is practice a 10-second pause before responding to any frustration tomorrow. Build the muscle of the pause. Habit 8. Omayari, the oxytocin loop. Habit 8. Omayari, the selfless anticipation. Procrastination is often a self-critical loop. You're too focused on your fear and on your failure. UC Berkeley found that pro-social behavior triggers oxytocin, which naturally quiets the amygdala. By looking outward, you stop the internal noise that causes you to freeze. Action. Do 1 unprompted task for someone else tomorrow. Quiet your own head by helping theirs. You are smart, you have the degree, but the brain doesn't care about your potential. It only cares about its system. Stop fighting your biology with the willpower. Start using these 8 logical gates. Comment 1% done below if you're committing to the 60-second rule tonight. I've built the system starter kit for high achievers in the description. I'll see you in the next one.